Okay, you see, remember that animals like this breathe by spiracles, right? Spiracles that they have. So pretty much what you're seeing here is the final stage of a cicada reaching adulthood, okay? This animal has been in the ground for several years in this stage, so they look for a perch that they like and then they pop inside out, okay? What you're seeing here is pretty much the adult freshly hatched cicada that is trying to come, how I tell you, in the adult morph, okay? In the adult shape, they need several things. After hatching, it occurs something very similar with butterflies. They need to take out of their body the wasting products of the other stage, okay? You can see that these white spikes are pretty much like hitting. You see these white strings are attached to this part here of the body. This is pretty much like tapping some areas over there in its body. So once that it takes all of its body out, they will start to take pretty much a blood pressure to increase. They do not have blood, but their blood-like structure is called hemolymph. So in this hemolymph, by increasing the pressure of hemolymph, they will stretch their wings to the total size. They are very wet now, and then they also need to dry out. Once that they dry out, they will harden their body. And after a while that they have already stretched their wings to the total size and they have hardened their body, then they will be able to fly out. But in this moment, what you're seeing here is just emerging in the adult morph. It's absolutely vulnerable to ants. For example, what about if ants come here? It cannot make noise, it cannot run, it cannot bite, cannot make the noises, anything. It's just freshly hatched. Actually, this takes a little while, so that several hours it takes normally for them to be just ready to be making their first flight. Okay, that's what you're seeing here. You can see all the proboscis here. You can see that it's trying to take the abdomen out. This is really rare to see. Cicadas are very common, but this is a very cool case of an exuberant